Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw the Tower of Pisa while we learn Spanish. The Tower of Pisa is a tower located in Italy and the city is called Pisa. Tower in Spanish is TORRE. Do you know the most curious thing? It is leaning. Let's draw the windows. That in Spanish is said, ventanas. Let's draw some birds. Bird in Spanish is pájaro. Now we draw some trees. Tree in Spanish is árbol. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. We use light brown. That in Spanish is said MARRÓN CLARO. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!